The simple interest is derived from the commercial transaction in our textbooks. For you to understand the simple interest, you need to note how to use the principal, the rate, the time, and the simple interest itself. The simple interest is equal to the principal multiplied by the rate and multiplied by the time, all over 100. We can also make the principal the subject of formula. The principal is equal to 100 multiplied by the simple interest all over rate multiplied by time. Also, we can calculate for the rate. The rate is equal to 100 multiplied by the simple interest all over principal times time. And lastly, we can calculate for the time. The time is equal to 100 multiplied by the simple interest all over the principal multiplied by the time. Here is a question of simple interest. Here they say find the simple interest on 2,000 naira at the rate of 5% per annum for 4 years. Before you solve question on simple interest, it is best you write out the parameters. For example, our principal here our principal is equal to 2,000 naira. We also have our rates to be 5% and our time to be 4 years. All we need to do is just write the formula for simple interest, which is denoted as S time, is equal to our principal multiplied by the rate multiplied by the time, all over 100, which is equal to the principal is 2,000 naira multiplied by the rate. You just put 5 multiplied by the time, which is 4, all over 100. So this, you cancel this, and cancel this. We will be left with 20 naira multiplied by 5 multiplied by 4, all over 1, which is the same thing. It then means that our simple interest is equal to 20 multiplied by 20, which is 400. 400 naira. So this is how we can calculate the simple interest. We have another question here. Now we are asked to find the simple interest on 2000 naira 00 kobo for 8 months and not year. Here we have 8 months at a rate of 4 whole number 102% per annum. So normally what you are supposed to put into the simple interest formula is in days and not months. So what will we do with this months? Let us see. Solution. The principal from the given question, the principal here is 2000 naira. The rate is 4 whole number 1/2%, which is 2 multiplied by 4 is 8 plus 1, 9. 9/2% per annum. While the time in this case is equal to 8 months. So what we do is that we convert these 8 months to years. How do we do that? Look up. You say 12 months is equal to 1 year. Of course, 12 months is equal to 1 year, and we have 8 months. So we put our 8 months here. 8 months will be equal to x, because we don't need the value for 8 months in a year. So what do we do here? We must multiply. We cross multiply. If we cross multiply, we have that 12 months multiplied by x will be equal to 8 months to multiply 1 year. So for we to allow only x stay, we say divide both sides by 12 months. We get 12 months multiplied by x divided by 12 months will be equal to 8 months multiplied by 1 year all over 12 months. So this will cancel this. We'll now be left with x. Months will cancel months. 4 here is 2. 4 here is 3. So we have 2 all over 3 years. So we put here, the 8 months is equivalent to 2 all over 3 years. So when we do this, we just substitute into our formula. We have that the simple interest is equal to P multiplied by R multiplied by T, which is principal times rate times time, all over 100. So we go over to this place. To complete our work. The simple interest will now be equal to, the principal is 2,000. 2,000 naira multiplied by the rate. The rate we have here is 9. 9 all over 2% multiplied by the time is 2 all over 3. All over 100. 100. So we come here. Since we have 100 here, we can say 100 over 1 because this is dividing 100. So we can write it as 2000 multiplied by 9 all over 2 multiplied by 2 all over 3. If this 100 is going over to this place, it will turn to, if it is dividing, it will be 100 over 1. So, but if we are changing this to multiplication, it will be 1 all over 100. So we have our simple interest to be 2000 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 2 all over 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 100. So we can cancel 2 and bring in this 0, 0, 0, 0. 3 here, 1. 3 here, 3. So our simple interest will be 20 naira multiplied by 3 all over, this is 1, 1. So to be multiplied by 1 all over 1 multiplied by 9. Therefore, our simple interest is equal to 20 multiplied by 3 is 60. Multiplied by 1 is the same thing, all over 1. So we have our simple interest to be 60 004. So that is how to get the simple interest when we are given in months instead of year.